Hands-on Development is a tour company that runs 10-day immersions in Nepal for travellers that want to get off the beaten track and also have an impact when they travel. Having worked in Seven Women for over a decade now, I've seen the benefits of tourism as a force for good, and that was the reason we created Hands-on Development, to bring people from all over the world to Nepal to boost the Seven Women enterprises, but also visit the sites, the World Heritage Sites, this amazing country, and different organisations that are creating real and lasting change in Nepal.
Seven Women is an organisation that work with empowering marginalised women, and especially women with disability, and we do support women through skill training, education and employment opportunity. Tourism has been a very big part of our growth, especially when people participate in our cooking class, craft class, and also doing a language class with our women that supports our women to provide regular jobs, to be able to generate income so they can support their family back in the village and support their education as well.
Worldwide, I think tourism is shifting from the traditional adventure tourism to something more meaningful, something where travellers can make an impact when they travel.
The things that they do for the underprivileged and vulnerable in this country has been quite amazing and quite moving, actually. It has been better than I expected it to be. Confronting at times, but I think it needs to be confronting to send the message.
I love the Seven Women because the Seven Women helps to me support my study by providing a scholarship.
More than half of the population in Nepal lives in a rural area. Being able to help those people so they can get out of poverty, so then they have a regular access to education, health. Hopefully we can expand maybe 10 more training centers in the new villages in the next 5 years. Times have changed, but then I feel like Nepal, we're still so much behind from everything, especially women, and then I feel like we need to create more business.
I feel very happy by working here because I got a lot of experience like cooking and also like a training about the computer classes as well as sometimes hairdressing. I feel like my own home by working here because everyone feels like my family.
Hands-on Development connects socially minded travellers with marginalised women to make a difference.